John, I am using the camera, definitely. Okay, John, I'm halfway there, maybe a quarter way. I can still see you, John. I would say when you're done, John.
No.
One hour later. Okay, so I've been hearing these strange noises, and it hasn't really been 1 hour later, I was joking, but I've been hearing these strange noises. I forgot I wasn't like recording that time. Do you hear that? John, did you hear that?
Yes.
That long beat? I'm putting this on YouTube. Okay, guys, this is who I've been talking to. He heard my voice too, because obviously he has the same walkie-talkie.
Boys, I want you to turn it down. I mean, turn it off.
Okay. Okay, so we turned it off. We turned it off, kind of strange. But yeah, we turned it off. And you guys are going on YouTube. Hello, I'm Mr. Walkie-Talkie. But we can still spy on him. Okay, so my stomach has been hurting because earlier I swallowed a peppermint, so yeah. So, this is the end of the video.